Immerse yourself in the ingrained vibes of the Australian people and culture while enjoying the perfect blend of convenience and luxury at UniLodge Carlton. UniLodge Carlton offers a range of room options to suit your needs. Whether you prefer a standard room or a large room, you'll find yourself in a space designed for comfort and relaxation. Each room comes fully furnished with air conditioners, a luxury bed, a private study area, unlimited Wi-Fi, and an ensuite washroom, ensuring your convenience and privacy. The communal kitchen with a dining area is the perfect place to enjoy meals with your fellow residents, while the on-site gym helps you to stay fit and active. Step outside your room and unwind in the outdoor courtyard with a barbecue area. When it comes to proximity to educational institutions, UniLodge Carlton takes the lead. A quick 10-minute stroll will take you to the RMIT, and a 6-minute drive will take you to the University of Melbourne. In addition, the property also offers easy access to the vibrant dining and shopping scenes of Melbourne. Book your place at UniLodge Carlton today via amberstudent.com.